Hi, I'm Mike. Welcome to Scoutadelic. And how do you make a piñata? Hi, I'm Mike from Scoutadelic. Now this month is all about the world of scouting and we're going to travel to Mexico. Now something that is in Mexico and is associated with Mexico is piñatas, and so this is a really cool and simple idea that you can do obviously at home, you know, for like a celebration or party. Maybe when you get back to face-to-face scouting, might be a cool Mexican theme. There we go. What you're going to need for this is the usual toilet roll. You'll need some string or wool or something like that, scissors, sellotape, some sweets and tissue paper of different cool funky colours. Okay, so first of all what you want to do is with your toilet tube you want to put something on the bottom. You want something that's obviously going to contain your sweets. You don't want something that's obviously breakable. You want something that's really solid. So what I am going to do is I'm going to get like a bit of paper, and hopefully that's going to be fine for me. And then with that paper you're going to cut it so that obviously it just fits on the bottom, and then you're going to stick it to the bottom of your toilet tube. Like so. And then what you want to do is you want to get your different coloured tissue paper, and you want to cut around about 2 inches. So about that. Like so. And you want to do like the little tassels. So you want to do little tassels. You all want to go to the same sort of line, so I'm going about halfway, like so. So you've got like little, tassels or moustache, whichever way. And then you want to stick that so that it goes all the way around your piñata, and there we are. Then what you want to do is with your other colours is do the same. So you're slowly but surely filling up your entire toilet tube right until you reach the top. And there we go. So you've got your tasselled piñata. And then what you want to do now is you want to fill your piñata with some sweets. So now your piñata has sweets in it, so you want to obviously close the top. But first, before you do that, you need your string or your wool, and you want to make a loop and stick it on either side on the inside of your top there, like so. And then now what you need is to put something on the top. So again, another bit of your paper, you want to obviously put it on top. So you want to do like a round circle around the top and then stick that to the top. So what I've done to make it easier on my square is I've put like little cuts so that when I stick it on the top I can actually curl it around and make the top perfect. Like so. And then there's your piñata. Now all you need is a blindfold and something hard to hit it. Can we get in there? Oh, there we go. Now you can either do this singularly, or if you're doing it in a big group then you can obviously take it in turns or do it timed, so each person has so many seconds to obviously hit the piñata, and then once it's broken, boom, all the sweets, fun stuff, great times. Hey, if you've liked this video then don't forget to obviously give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to obviously share it around and consider subscribing. You know you want to. It's the red button down below.